Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to teach you the technique of how to take an inhaler the way we use it in the Allergy and Asthma Institute, Pakistan. We have a slightly different technique, and because of that, we get results or improvement in our patient's asthma or tightness in the chest within a couple of seconds. It doesn't even take a few minutes. It works almost immediately. Now, most of you will have been seeing patients take inhalers like this. They just shake it a little bit, put it in their mouth, press it, and you can see all the medicine flying out from the mouth. Plus, they also get a taste in their mouth, and that also causes tremors and shivers and heartbeat because the medicine of some of the inhalers, especially the medicine which opens the breathing passages, that can cause tremors, heartbeats, palpitation, dizziness, occasional feeling of weakness. What we always recommend is patients should never take an inhaler directly. It should always be taken through a device known as a spacer device. Now, we have our own spacer devices manufactured for our patients, and these devices are specially designed to deliver the maximum possible medicine into the lungs where they're needed. Now, the drawback of these devices, I'm just opening one for you to show you, is people think that these are very big. And because they're very big, they're not going to be convenient to carry around, but that's not the point. The point is you need something which is going to fill up your lungs, and the lungs have a capacity of 750 milliliters, and this bottle is designed to give you the same amount of medicine. Now, if you take this bottle out and you assemble the top and the bottom parts and you shake them, you're going to hear this tick-tick sound coming. Now, this tick-tick sound comes due to a valve inside here which is specially designed to give a stream of air and the medicine deep into your lungs when you take it. For those of you who are aware of the National Asthma Guidelines of Australia, you will find that these spacer devices are all that they're using now for the treatment of asthma. And so even in the Allergy and Asthma Institute, which, as you know, is one of the leading institutes in the world for research on allergy and asthma, we always recommend to take an inhaler, whichever inhaler your doctor may have prescribed, through a spacer bottle like this. We do not recommend the use of, smaller devices like these because these have rubber valves and that do not give you the desired result that you want. So all you're going to have to do is simply put a device in your mouth, blow out first, press the inhaler twice because the inhaler is going to fit in the back, and I'll just show you how to do it, and then take one long deep breath and hold it as long as you can. Some people count to 10. No, don't count to 10. Hold it as long as you can, and when you cannot, then you just release the air that you've inhaled. So the way to do that, now we're going to do it with the medicine, is to first shake the inhaler at least 10 times. Once it's thoroughly shaken, because if you don't shake it 10 times, you've got to get it, the medicine won't come out. Then it fits into the back here. It'll fit in tightly. Make sure you always hold it with the spacer pointing upwards and not downwards, because then the medicine won't come out. And you hold it like that from top and bottom so that when you press it, you get a very good spray rather than holding it like this, in which case your pressing power isn't very good and the device might slip from under your fingers. So now all you're going to do is blow out. I'm going to put in one puff and take a deep breath in. For you or for the patient, you will take as many puffs as has been prescribed by your doctor. So watch me do this. First, in my mouth, I make a tight seal around the spacer mouthpiece, blow out as best as I can. One puff, deep suck in, and hold it as long as I can. And when I cannot hold it anymore, I'll try to exhale through my nose. That's how to use that. Now, what I'm going to do now is something which you should not be doing, but I'm going to do more than one puffs so that you can see the medicine actually go inside. That's why I'm going to demonstrate it in a slightly different manner, but this is not for you, the patient, to use unless your doctor advises you. I'm going to do 3 puffs and you'll see the medicine come into this chamber, and when I suck in, you'll see it all going deep down into my lungs. So, first I blow out. Oh, sorry, first I have to shake it again 10 times. Stick it in the back, blow out. And then I hold it as long as I can. And you saw the powder, the fumes of the medicine go inside. I hold it as long as I can, and when I cannot hold it anymore, I blow out through my nose. That is the way to get the best relief from your inhaler. And in case of an emergency, if you do it properly, it takes not more than 15 to 20 seconds for the lungs to start clearing up. I wish you the very best of luck, and I wish you a speedy recovery and an asthma-free life. Thank you very much.